Hello. First of all, you follow my access process, then access me. So uh, I will show how to give access Facebook Business Manager or Facebook Ads Manager. So first of all, share my screen. Uh, this is my this is my Business Manager account. Okay. Then click people and then click add people. Uh, uh, typing here your business your manager email. So for example, my manager email, uh, this is my manager email, for example. So click then none view and none manage. Then click next. Uh, for example, this is my page. So click here, then control full control. Okay. Then invite. This is very simple process. Okay. So already uh, sent my business manager Nico near your request. Just confirm email, then you process finished. Okay. I hope you are understand. Thank you, sir.